So hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sneha Sanas. I am a first year MBBS student in Uzbekistan and I'm currently studying in Navoi State Medical University. Today's video is gonna be interesting and it's a kind of an informative video because when I was packing for coming to Uzbekistan, मेरे फीड में ऐसा कोई भी वीडियो नहीं आया था जिसमें मुझे बताया गया कि तुम ये पैक करके लेके जाओ. मैं रशिया के वीडियो देख के आई थी, रशिया के जो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं उनके वीडियोस देख के आई थी कि लाइक आई हैव टू पैक दिस एंड दैट एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता था क्या पैक करना है, बट you guys don't have to worry because I am here. And if you're a girl, I will say, if you're coming here, just blindly follow this checklist because this is what you need according to me. First thing first, that is documents. You have to carry all your documents. Like I will say, like you have to bring your original documents because you have to submit it to your university. So please bring the original documents and also take like उनके xerox ले लो, like 10 copies लेके अपने पास रखो because they are not gonna give you your documents for 5 to 6 years. What you have to carry is passport, visa, admission letter from the university, 10th and 12th का certificate, then your passport size photos which are very important because यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ों में लग भी सकते हैं. So you have to carry your passport size photos as well. Then medical certificate is one of the things that you should carry if your university is saying you to carry it from India, or else यहाँ पे आके तुम्हारा medical checkup होगा like blood test and all, and yeah, your birth certificate. ये सारी तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स की बातें हुई, लेकिन अब चालू हो रहा है एक्चुअल वीडियो बिकॉज नाउ आई विल टेल यू व्हाट द एसेंशियल थिंग्स दैट यू शुड ब्रिंग इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन हॉस्टल. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू शुड कैरी बेडशीट्स एंड पिलो कवर्स. बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम्हारा हॉस्टल अगर तुम्हें प्रोवाइड भी कर रहा है, इवन इफ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल, जस्ट कैरी वन पेयर अगर इफ यू वॉन्ट. But I will say you please carry your bedsheet and pillow covers. Then one more thing, if possible you should carry a light blanket or something. If you're not comfortable with the hostel materials, you can use your things as well. So yeah, you should carry the blanket as well. Then comes the laundry bag. It's very important, trust me, because you're not gonna wash your clothes every day, so you should keep them somewhere. So you definitely should get a laundry bag, which I don't have and I'm gonna get it from India when I go back. So yeah, laundry bag is very important. Moving forward to my favorite part, that is clothing. And actually even I was very confused what should I pack in clothing stuff, but I knew that I have to go to the lectures and stuff, then I should carry some basic stuff like basic jeans and tops and everything. So it's like टू बी ऑनेस्ट, यहाँ पे लोग, यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स बहुत प्रोफेशनल है, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल है. इतना अच्छा ड्रेसअप करके आते हैं ना. एवरी डे दे वेयर कोट एंड बूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे मैनेज टू लुक वेरी परफेक्ट एवरी डे, बट trust me, these peoples look absolutely beautiful in their dressing. Like these people have very good dressing sense, the local peoples, the local students. So I will say, like, हमें भी तो टक्कर देनी है, तो you just carry some basic outfits like jeans, trousers, and I have a list. Wait, मैंने पूरी लिस्ट निकाल के रखी है गाइस. बैठ के मैंने सोच के लिस्ट निकाली है, like what you have to carry. The most important question, that is, should we carry our jackets or not? I will say don't carry your jackets because यहाँ पे सेम प्राइस में बहुत अच्छे जैकेट्स मिल जाते हैं एंड यहाँ के ठंड के लिए वो बराबर है, प्रॉपर है. एंड obviously you will have some weight limit for your luggage, so I will say don't carry the jackets. यहाँ पे आके आप खरीद लेना jackets, but you should carry some hoodies, some sweatshirts, then some thermal wear is important because ठंड में यहाँ पे snow भी होती है. तो if you are not having thermals, आपकी हालत मेरे जैसी होगी because मैंने भी thermals नहीं लेके आई थी. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं भी लेके आऊंगी. आई फील लाइक दिस वीडियो इज फॉर मी बिकॉज मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम पैकिंग करते वक्त मैं वापस कंफ्यूज हो जाऊंगी क्या लेना है. सो मे बी आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दिस वीडियो फॉर फ्यूचर माई सेल्फ. अनदर थिंग, दैट इज यू शुड कैरी सम ग्लव्स, सम स्कार्फ एंड कैप एज वेल इफ यू वॉन्ट. वो जो ठंड में कैप आती है वो यू कैन कैरी, कि आप जितने भी महीने, लाइक जितने भी मंथ्स यहाँ पे रहोगे, इट्स बिन 7th month ऑफ मी बीइंग हियर एंड स्टिल यहाँ पे ठंड है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक ठंड बहुत कम मंथ्स रहती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत ठंड होती है यहाँ पे. You should carry some Indian wear as well. You can wear Indian clothes here. But the most important thing other than the Indian wear is formal wear. Formals में भी हम लोग पहन सकते हैं Indian wear, but still you should carry some formal wear just for the presentations and stuff. अगर एग्जाम्स है तो you have to wear formals. So yeah, you should carry some formals. In footwear, I will say just go whatever you like to wear, but get a good pair of shoes because it will help you throughout this college days, because you have to go to the university every day. For footwear, I will say you should carry shoes, slippers, heels if you want, and also Crocs. Very important, if because I'll tell you later. और क्या पहन सकते हैं, और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें, तुम्हें जो चाहिए वो सब भर दो बैग में, जो भी क्लोथ्स चाहिए, जो भी ज्वेलरी चाहिए, whatever you want, you just put it in your bag. Now I would like to talk about the electronic things, which is very important, very 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 important. Firstly, carry a charger. It's like necessary thing, but if possible carry a power bank, because it's very like handy if you're going to the university, and if you're iPhone user, you know that you need power bank. So please carry power bank. If possible, get a tab for yourself, because it's very handy when you come here, and it's very handy for studies. I'll come up to it. Get a universal plug adapter for yourself, because it's the most important thing that you'll be using every day, every time, because charging करना है phone को, कुछ भी है तो we need an universal adapter, because यहाँ के जो plugs हैं वो अलग है. So we need an universal plug adapter. Another thing, if you have multiple devices, you can carry extension board as well. Okay, moving forward, we'll talk about the medicine thing. It's important actually, because you should carry some medicine. It's very important here because यहाँ पे सारे medicines के prices double, 2x 3x बताए जाते हैं, because यहाँ पे medicines सारे बाहर से आते हैं, यहाँ पे medicines बनते नहीं है, तो it's very expensive. I can't tell you, you can't even get a single cream in the like less price. बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे मिलते हैं medicines. So जो भी medicines आपको लगते हैं, if you are taking some medicines regularly, प्लीज़ कैरी साल भर के लिए जितना, अगर आपको साल भर के लिए इतने मेडिसिन लगेंगे, प्लीज़ कैरी इट फ्रॉम इंडिया, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर लेने जाओगे उसका डबल प्राइस देना पड़ेगा या फिर ट्रिपल भी देना पड़ सकता है. बट बेसिक मेडिसिन यू शुड कैरी, लाइक पैरासीटामोल, कफ सिरप, एंड कोल्ड के लिए कोई मेडिसिन, विच एवर सूट्स यू जस्ट हैव टू कैरी. वन मोर थिंग दैट यू कैन ऐड इन योर मेडिसिन बैग इज लाइक मल्टीविटामिन्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मेस का खाना अगर अच्छे से नहीं जाएगा, आपको सप्लीमेंट्स की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. एंड आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू कैरी सम कैल्शियम मेडिसिन्स, या फिर जो भी मल्टीविटामिन्स है प्लीज़ कैरी करना. कमिंग टू द स्टडी मटेरियल, आई विल से प्लीज़ डोंट कैरी टेक्स्ट बुक्स, बिकॉज आपके पास ऑलरेडी लगेज का वेट बहुत कम है, उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें डालनी है. तो आई विल से टैब इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन बाई, एंड इट्स वेरी हैंडी. सारे बुक्स आपके एक ही चीज़ में, एक ही जगह पे मिल जाएंगे सारी चीज़ें. सो या, बट यू शुड कैरी सम नोटबुक्स और जो स्टेशनरी का जो भी सामान है, बिकॉज या इट विल बी नीडेड एनी हाउ. अगर आपके पास टैब है नहीं है फिर भी यू शुड कैरी सम नोटबुक्स एंड सम पेन्स, स्टेशनरी, कलर पेन्स एंड स्टफ. So you can get that. Whatever you want for the stationery, please get it. The most important thing जिसके लिए तुम यहाँ पे आ रहे हो, तो we have to get a pair of scrubs and a white coat. Also get some gloves, surgical gloves. Also get some head caps that I'll insert a picture here, head caps and stuff. Stethoscope, you have to get a stethoscope as well, because यहाँ पे you will go for the hospital rotations. Even though you'll not get to practice on patients, but still you should carry stethoscope and this stuff because it's important. Other things you'll get it in your university, but the scrubs and lab coat is very important. You should carry them. And also, if your university is taking you to the hospital rotations, you should be having Crocs as well. So carry a pair of Crocs. You can use them regularly as well, but if there is a hospital rotation or something, you have to wear Crocs. So bring Crocs as well. Okay, coming to the last thing, that is money and other miscellaneous things. About the money, I will say before coming here, please apply for an international debit card from your bank. It's very handy because trust me, every time I go to the market, I just swipe my card, because we can't withdraw cash because it takes a lot of tax, because I have said this multiple times in my videos. please carry an international debit card or a forex card. If not forex card, international debit card is mandatory. Get a visa card or get any international debit card. Also, for some initial expenditure, you can also get you can also bring some dollars as well if you want. Otherwise you just get your card, but I will say you should carry some cash, because what if your card is not working in initial phase? Then please get some cash with you. Get one backpack. It's very important for the colleges, universities as well. But if you're traveling somewhere, your like in essential things must be in your backpack, so you just get one backpack, or else get a small money pocket and something. You can get that as well. Another thing, it's optional, but I don't know, I just want to say, you just bring your umbrella here, because if there is no snow, if there is no sun, but the weather is cloudy, that means it's gonna rain in any month. So just bring your umbrella with you. Even I'm gonna get it next time. But at last, I just want to say, if you're coming here, if you're planning to come to Uzbekistan in any university, I will suggest you one thing, that please take some information about where you're going. Is that university good and stuff like that? Just check about the university and then decide where to take admission, because yeah, this is MBBS abroad. A lot of scams can happen to you. Please be aware when wherever you're going to any university, please talk to the seniors and ask them for the valid information, because you'll get a lot of information from a lot of consultants, but it may be wrong sometimes. So I will suggest you, wherever you're planning to take admission, please talk to your seniors, because they are the ones who will help you in the following years as well. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and I think this was just a random topic, not a random but essential topic. It will help a lot of you guys, I know. And one thing, a lot of you guys were asking me about the admission process and stuff. If you really want to know about the admission process and stuff, you just reach me out on my Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. But I will say, just don't listen to the consultants. Please go to your seniors, ask them questions. They will absolutely tell you everything. And even if you want to talk to me, you reach me out on Instagram. I will help you, because I don't want any student or anybody to get scammed by some peoples. So whatever information you want, you just come up to me. I will help you guys. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you like this video. It was nice talking to you after so long, and I feel good today to talk to you guys, because this is my second time talking like this with you guys. Otherwise I'm just posting some vlogs and shorts. And tell me what else you want to see on my YouTube. You can give me any kind of suggestions. I'm free to make videos on your suggestions. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in comments, like, if what else do you want to see on my page. Yeah, bye bye.